VERSITILITY. Electric fondue set suitable for chocolate, cheese, broth, or oil. Serve up easy, delicious fondue with the Dash Deluxe Fondue Maker. Non-stick, stainless removable pot. Elegant, brushed stainless steel removable 3-quart bowl with non-stick interior. PFOA-free and non-stick coating makes easy cleaning. Temperature control. Precise temperature control allows you to heat a variety of fondue ingredients in just minutes. Dimensions: 14.7 inches by 13.6 inches by 7.9 inches. Includes Dash Deluxe Fondue Maker, 8 color-coded fondue forks, fork rack, to reduce drips, metal ring, and Fondue Cups plus Tasteful Recipe Guide. U.S based support. Designed in NYC, with U.S.-based customer support on every product. Make delicious fondue at home with the Dash Deluxe Fondue Maker. Perfect for cheese, chocolate, and oil fondue, the Fondue Maker melts ingredients to the perfect temperature for decadent fondue entertaining. Use the 8 color-coded fondue forks to enjoy with friends and family, and the convenient fork rack on top of the Fondue Maker helps prevent drips. Plus, with the added fondue cups around the edge, you can serve up your favorite fruits, veggies, meats, and more, all conveniently located around the stainless steel fondue pot. Our included recipe guide will get you started wowing friends and family with your own homemade fondue. Top reviews from the United States. Great fondue maker. I've been wanting to purchase a fondue maker for months, but didn't want to spend too much on something that will likely only be used a few times a year. After looking at the reviews and considering the price of this one, I decided to try it out. We used it for the first time and tried the s'mores chocolate recipe. It worked great, from heating up the chocolate to easy cleanup. I can't wait to try a cheese and oil fondue next. The include recipe book is helpful.